أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. My dear students, my dear viewers, today I'm making video for Shaddah, Idgham, rules of NoonSakinah and Tanween. Inshallah, I will tell you in detail. This video would be very informative and sound knowledge for those who want to teach online Quran in all over the world in English and Urdu. This is my humble request to all of you. Please watch completely this video and share it on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Facebook. Shaddah. This is the Shaddah sign, and we oftenly call it curve sign, W sign. If a tashdid sign, W sign, appears over a letter, then the letter is said again, the first time having sukoon jazm and the second time with harakat. A letter having tashdid sign is called mushaddad. For example, ra zabar ba rab, ba zabar ba rabb is equal to ra zabar ba rab, ba zabar ba rabb. Ra zabar ba rabba peshbu, rabbu, noon zabar alif na, rabbuna, hamza ze noon in, noon zabar na, in, mim zabar alif ma, innama. If a tashdid sign, W sign, okay, curve sign appears over meme or a noon, then meme and noon will be recited with gunna. Inna is equal to inna. Thumma is equal to thumma. Idgham, merging. Idgham, merging, means to mix up one thing into another when two letters having a similar point of articulation or similar kind appears side by side, the first letter with sakin and the second letter with tashdid, with the following characteristic. Number 1, same letters, example dal and dal, lam and lam, idgham. For example, qad dakhalu. Okay, you can see here, this is a dal has jazm sign. Okay, we will skip it because another letter is coming with the tashdid sign. Qad dakhalu. Qad dakhalu is changed into qad dakhalu. Balla is changed into balla. So this point is very, very important to know about it. Balla. Point number 2, letters with a similar origin, example ba and mim, lam and ara, noon and ara, idgham, or kam ma'ana barrafa'a. Okay, you should focus on the ra sakinah and lam sakinah, okay, and how to read these letters. Or kam ma'ana barrafa'a. Point number 3, related to letters, example ta and ta, or ta and ta, ta and dal, idgham. Wajadtum is changed into wajadtum. In such cases, the letters with the sukoon will be merged, expressed, or not pronounced with the second letter. The rules of NoonSakinah and Tanween. This is a very, very important rule to know about it. There are 4 rules of NoonSakinah and Noon Tanween. Number 1, Izhar, saying clearly. Number 2, Idgham, merging or mixing. Number 3, Iqlab, converting or changing. And number 4, Ikhfa, hiding. Number 1, Izhar, saying clearly. If any throttle letter, hamza, ha, ain, ha, ain, kha, comes after Noon Sakin or Tanween, then it will be read normally without any gunna. Okay? Narun hamiyah. Narun hamiyah. Okay, you should focus on urun sound, okay? And I read urun clearly, okay? Read clearly. Narun hamiyah, because after Tanween, third letter is ha, is the third letter is coming. So we will read urun sound clearly. Narun hamiyah. Okay, this is a waqf tam, and there is a tiny ayn on verse. Okay, you will stop there, and the last letter ta to pesh tun would be changed into ha sakina. Narun hamiyah. Bukmun umyun an'amta. Okay, you should focus on mon and iyon, because after mun third letter is coming, after yun third letter is coming again, hamza zabar a, okay? And ain and hamza both are third letters, okay? You can see here. So how to read them? Bukmun umyun an'amta, you make izhar. Number 2, idgham. Idgham yarmalun. Ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. Okay, these are all idgham yarmalun letters. There are 6 yarmalun letters. Ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. Yarmalun letters. These are divided into 2 groups. Idgham with gunna. Partial or incomplete idgham in yamun. Ya, mim, waw, noon. You should focus, okay, after Noon Sakinah, after Tanween, and after Noon Sakinah, okay? How to read all the letters. Min mithlihi khayrun minhu khayran yarahu faman ya'mal. Idgham without gunna, complete idgham. Lam and ra, okay, without gunna. The second of noon will disappear completely, okay? Allam, yarahu without gunna, okay? Please keep in mind, idgham without gunna. After noon sakina, lam is coming. So allam, yarahu ghafurur rahimun min rabbika. Mir rabbika. Is it clear? Number 3, iqlab, conversion to tani mim. Okay, this is the tani mim. If letter ba comes after noon sakin or tanween, then noon sakin is changed into mim sakin with nasal sound. So please listen, be carefully, and now I am going to recite, okay? Alimun bihi mon bihi abadan bima min ba'di. Okay, this is the iqlab. Ikhfa. What is ikhfa? If after noon sakin or noon tanween any other letter appears except the 6 letters of throat, yarmalun and ba, then the noon sakin or noon tanween will be recited with ikhfa. We will hide the voice of noon into the nose for 2 seconds. Right? Qutubun qayyimah ma dassaha. So this is a ikhfa, and inshallah I make a new video for the rules of mim sakina. Okay, so the rules of mim sakina is very important rule. So thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.